On shadows deep, the whispers creep, and unexpected death has come to wreak. This morning with little warning, in a suit of wind like he always does with a devilish grin, he hurried about and tapped his cane. Nobody was prepared for that, and it began to rain. The tide rose up as if a secret to whisper, swelling like a blister, tension turning crisper. People scurried like ants, looking for something higher ground. Too little, too late, nothing to be found. Lightning strikes, the fury ignites. Uncle Milton's laughter as through the night's cataclysmic storm. He brings a belief underneath the chaos. What do we receive? Uncle Milton's come to town, a whirlwind of fate. What secrets does he carry? Is it love or hate? The sky caught on fire, drowning down our desires, leaking the clouds like they're made of paper. Uncle Milton had that look, the kind that says, I'm here to rearrange and range things permanently. Can't find you what that means. The water keeps rising like a bad joke with no punchline. Uncle Milton's here, but I'm not sure what he wants, and he wants on the wind yet. You gotta hide from the floorboards, you either run or die. Gotta get up to higher ground. Gotta get out, can't go another round. Yeah, Uncle Milton's come to town, with every wave that crashes down. Memories lost, the heartbeats drown. Maybe it's us, maybe it's our history, or maybe he's just bored rewriting our mystery. Either way we're running, hiding higher, until there's no more ground to stand on, and still he smiles. With the heavy guitar solo echoing the struggle, the storm behind his tracks still fills the air. Uncle Milton turns, catching us unaware. In the silence that follows, what will remain? A haunting laughter that dances with the rain. Leaving Milton came, and so he shall go, leaving us wonder with seeds of tomorrow to sow.